Guys, this romance is impossible to put down. Pick up your own copy of Sunflowers for Adanma by clicking the link in bio to get your copy now from Amazon or Gumroad.
Ladies, have you ever met a woman who was so used to surviving that she couldn't recognize love when it was standing right in front of her? Whether you're just joining us or you've been here from the beginning, meet Adanma. After raising twin daughters for 20 years, they've left for college, and the silence at home is breaking her heart.
They grow up so fast. Adanma accepts a live-in nursing job, caring for a sweet elderly woman living with dementia. The woman's son is Ben. Ben is 50. A widower and a millionaire who is completely unaware that his life is about to change. Now here's where it gets interesting. You and I can see Ben is absolutely crazy about Adanma, but Adanma? And that's exactly why this story is going to steal your heart. Come on, let's watch the world's most obvious love story unfold one beautiful misunderstanding at a time.
Good morning, Adanma.
Morning, Mr. Ben.
How's Mum?
She remembered your name today.
And how are you?
I'm fine.
You look tired.
I slept well.
You don't have to pretend with me.
Thank you, but I'm all right. If you'll excuse me, I'd better finish helping your mother.
You know, Mum smiles more these days.
I think she's happier.
I think that's because of you.
Oh, I just do my job. No.
You do much more than that.
Now, if you ask me, this was the moment Ben stopped pretending he was simply being kind. Because it was Adanma's birthday.
Happy birthday, Adanma.
How did you know these are my favorite?
You mentioned it.
I did?
You were telling Mum about your childhood. You said sunflowers always made you smile.
Ladies, a man doesn't remember your favorite flower by accident. He remembers because you matter.
I also got you something else.
I've been looking for this edition for years.
I know.
You knew?
You mentioned that too.
Thank you. No one listens that carefully anymore.
I do.
If this were any other love story, Adanma would have known exactly what Ben was doing. But this wasn't any other love story. When Ben admired her, she heard simple courtesy. When he remembered every little detail, she thought he was simply being thoughtful. She never imagined that she herself could be the reason he smiled.
And there was something else. Adanma worked in his home. He signed every paycheck. The last thing he wanted was for kindness to ever feel like obligation, so he waited. Too long for someone else who noticed. Andrea, Ben's personal assistant, and younger sister to his glamorous ex-girlfriend, Livy. One afternoon she frowned as Ben smiled at yet another story about Adanma.
You've changed.
What do you mean?
You've smiled more in the last month than you did dating my sister. I think he's falling for the nurse.
The nurse? I don't believe that.
I'm serious. I've never seen him look at anyone the way he looks at her.
Weeks passed, and for the first time in months, Adanma asked for vacation time away. You'll survive without me?
I'll have to.
I'll miss your mother.
We'll miss you too.
The day after Adanma left, someone else finally made their move.
To whom it may concern, I am writing to request a review of the professional relationship between a caregiver assigned to the Bennett household and her employer. Over the past several weeks, I have observed a level of familiarity that, in my opinion, extends beyond what is appropriate in a professional caregiving environment. I recommend assigning a different caregiver to the Bennett household. Thank you for your time and consideration.
Andrea's complaint was enough, and within days, a decision was made to replace Adanma. While all this was happening, Adanma knew absolutely nothing.
No. This doesn't make sense. I didn't do anything wrong. I have always conducted myself professionally. Please reconsider.
Read along with me. For only $10.99, and by clicking on the link in bio now, you can get your copy of Sunflowers for Adanma on Amazon or Gumroad now. The reply came quickly. They thanked her. They sympathized with her. But they didn't change their decision.
Good morning, Mum. Who are you?
I'm your mother's new nurse.
Where's Adanma?
I assumed you knew.
Knew what?
I thought you'd already been informed.
Informed about what?
I was told there were concerns about maintaining professional boundaries. The agency decided assigning someone new would be the safest course.
Ben, of course, knew who could have done this and why.
What did you do?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't lie to me.
I didn't.
Didn't? The nursing board doesn't invent stories.
Ben?
You were going to leave without saying goodbye?
I'm still trying to understand it myself.
Understand what?
The letter said someone believed I'd crossed professional boundaries. Can you imagine?
Why is that funny?
Because, look at you. Now look at me. I'm a nurse. You come from wealth. You could choose anyone. I've seen Livy, your ex-girlfriend. Livy is the kind of woman men like you choose. She is rich and glamorous.
How about dinner, as an apology?
You don't owe me anything. So why?
Because I want one evening with you. Just one. It's fine dining, so you'll need to dress up.
Sounds intriguing.
And if you think Livy isn't about to fight for her love, think again.
Ben, I heard about the nurse.
You and Andrea had no right to interfere in my life. We're over.
You want to throw everything we had away?
After my wife died, you were the first person I trusted. You chose to leave.
That was then. This is now. The nurse? What's so special about her?
She isn't your concern.
For the first time in 10 years, Adanma allowed herself to be beautiful. Not because she had to, because someone had given her a reason to. She bought a new dress.
If he's making this much effort, I can have one beautiful evening.
Styled her hair, applied makeup with trembling hands. She remembered how to care about the woman looking back at her. Now for the moment we have all been waiting for. Ben and Adanma's first date ever. And guess what? Ben couldn't stop staring at her.
What?
You look...
You'll embarrass me. That woman over there is beautiful.
What?
I said she's beautiful.
I'm not here to look at her. I'm gathering the courage to ask you out.
Guys, Adanma was so stunned that Ben could see her in that light that she just chose to believe he was pulling her legs or something. But wait for it. Wait for it. Guys, this romance is impossible to put down. Pick up your own copy of Sunflowers for Adanma.
I had a wonderful night.
So did I. I've wanted to do that for months.
What?
I've been crazy about you since the day we met.
Is it hot in here or is it hot? And now that Ben has finally come out to say his feelings, this man cannot stop sharing them all with Adanma.
Who's filming this? You almost got me.
Adanma, I'm serious.
You're serious, but why? I'm nothing like Livy.
Exactly. If Livy had been what I wanted, I wouldn't be standing here.
So Andrea wasn't imagining things?
No. But she was wrong about one thing.
What? You were never inappropriate.
I was. I kept finding reasons to see you, to talk about you constantly. I leave late just to see you arrive. I rush home just to catch you before you leave. Would you let me love you?
Wait, guys. What do you think Adanma is going to say? I am excited to hear your thoughts. Guys, you can find out right now by clicking on the link in bio. for your own copy of Sunflowers for Adanma from Amazon or Gumroad.